Hi, my name is Brian Schaeser. I'm from Trellis at the Heathman Hotel in Kirkland, Washington. I'm here today to talk a little bit about how that burger's cooked in the middle. How do I know when my burger's cooked in the middle? Well, we often buy those beautiful burgers. They're already pre-made, or we spend a lot of time at home buying that specialty ground meat, adding all our flavorings, our special cheese, our seasonings. It's a beautiful day outside. The grill is going. We've got all our guests over. Put the burgers on the grill, pull them off, and they're not quite done. So how do we tell that we have the burger done in the middle? So we start out with the perfect burger. We have it on the grill. Rule of thumb is to use a thermometer. Check the temperature, the internal temperature with a thermometer by inserting that thermometer right into your burger. And you can do that on the edge of the grill. And we're looking for well done. If we want it cooked all the way in the center, we're looking for 160 degrees. So we just check that. We're looking just about perfect right there. We're going to leave it for just another minute. It's also important when you remove your burgers from the grill that you let them rest for a few minutes before you serve them to the guests. You not only want them cooked thoroughly through, but you also want them nice and juicy. So we're going to take the burger, and actually this one has been resting for just a little bit. I checked the temperature there to make sure that we were right at 160 degrees. I'm going to just cut it here to see if we're and we can take and plate our burger 160 degrees, and here we have a burger that is cooked in the middle.